Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Malik 1K. What's up? 1K gang, 1K squad. And today we're gonna be cooking with Malik. So what we're gonna be making is some fried chicken, you know, the black people special. We got some cornbread. Where's the macaroni and cheese at? And the mac and cheese. That's the best combo. This cornbread right here, this is the best right here. Cornbread is the #1 favorite black person meal. You always gotta have it in your meal. So the first thing you wanna do, wash your hands. You always gotta wash your hands before you start cooking. All right, so what we gotta do? No. All right, so what we gotta do is rinse off this chicken, you feel me? How much should I make? We gotta make some for everybody.
Okay.
All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rinse this bowl out and I'm gonna rinse the chicken. Zoom into this chicken right here. Doesn't it look like some... I know, I didn't do it yet. But zoom into this chicken, man. Look at this chicken. I should just take a bite. Oh, my bad. All right, so now we gotta rinse out this chicken. All right, so we gotta rinse off this chicken.
Hello, cameraman. Can we do an intermission? How do you feel about this?
Cameraman.
All right, that's a very good point.
All right, you see we just got done rinsing off the chicken. Good old chicken right here. Now we got to get all the seasonings for the chicken. Got the oil, got the flour, and we got some breadcrumbs. This part right here. This one. All right, feel me, gotta put on the stove. Oh yes, sir. Now we gotta season the chicken, you feel me?
No.
I can't open the flour. I know it's gonna make a mess too. Oh, that's why I don't like cooking. I'm a chef though.
You should have put it in a bag.
All right, now we gotta put in the flour. That's good right there, ain't it?
Let me help you.
That's what I got you here for.
Let me help you.
I pay you to be my assistant.
You don't pay me nothing.
This is my assistant, Rainisha, but she's not really even helping me.
I'm telling you what to do. You said tell you what to do.
I'm a chef. I'll tell you what to do.
Oh my god.
You're not in a chef costume.
I'm in a chef costume. Hey, Roach.
Just tell me what to do so I can do it.
And then cut all this out.
Yeah, stop recording. Turn the camera off, turn the camera. Now you gotta put the breadcrumbs in this little baggy bag right here. All right, what else? We got eggs.
You can't make egg without cornbread, so you can't burn it.
I know.
You got all of it?
Nope.
Malik!
Well, come on, we're on our way to the store.
God dang it. My whole sandal flew off.
Thought we had eggs, that's right. Come on, let's get these eggs. How you doing?
Alright, how about you?
Good, just making some food.
Yeah, good.
So how much is it for the eggs?
You want your receipt? I got it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
They was laughing at me, bro. I seen them when I turned around. All right, now we gotta add the eggs and the milk to the batter. This is how you crack an egg, y'all. If you didn't know. If you didn't know, look at that. Smooth crack, no shell in the egg. That's how you gotta do it. Is this enough milk?
Yes.
See, you playing. She's supposed to be my assistant. I was looking for a spoon, but I got one right here.
You need a fork.
A fork?
Yes.
To mix?
You're gonna break.
Alright, now we gotta stir. I got my handy dandy fork. Thanks to my assistant. Look at that. Look at that. That camera quality is so good. It's crazy.
Put another egg.
We're almost done mixing it. The seasoning we're using, I don't really know no chicken seasons like that, but we got some season off, so I'm pretty sure it's all seasoning in one, you feel me? And this how y'all season chicken. You gotta sprinkle it, you gotta make love with the chicken, look, and you gotta whip it around. You gotta whip it around, make sure it gets on all of the chicken, y'all. You gotta slap that thing. And make sure it gets on everything, bro. We don't want no non-seasoned chickens, bro. We want every bite to have flavor. Now we gotta dip, huh? I did, see? Now we gotta dip it in this. You gotta shake off the excess flour. All right, the moment of truth. Oh, I turned the oven down. Oh, I just messed up the chicken. Restart. Right, put this in the thing. Don't mind this chicken. It was already going through. So, put it in here again. All right, y'all, the moment of truth. All right, we're good. The chicken is being made. All right, now we gotta get the cornbread made. So the first thing we have to do is turn the oven on to 400. We're gonna let that preheat, you feel me? Don't mind my assistant, she's finishing up the chicken. I have to teach her how to do it. 1 egg. 1.5 cup of vegetable oil, but we ain't got no cup, so I just got an estimate. I think that's about it. I think that's about 1/2 cup. Wait, 1/3 of a cup. I'm sorry, and 2/3 of a cup of milk. I think that's about justice right there. And now, got the handy dandy spoon. Gotta mix this real quick. We need a fork, freak. Now we're good. Now we're gonna add the cornbread mix.
You don't think that's unsanitary?
No, I brushed my teeth this morning. All right, now, all this cornbread mix. Yes, sir. And we gotta get this little mixing. You gotta mix it so there's no bumps. I'm whipping. This ain't hurt though. I need one of the electric ones. I'm gonna mix it a little bit more. It's still bumpy, but hey, just gonna have to do it for now. All right, we just got done mixing it. You know, you gotta spray on this butter so it won't stick to the pan. I think this pan's too big, huh? We gotta switch pans, y'all, because this one is too big. You know, chefs make mistakes too, you feel me?
Bro, you already had it burnt. That's why I'm keeping these longer. It was literally about to be black on the side. That's why this one's light like that. Don't try to blame it on me. That's why I took it out.
All right, now I gotta put this cornbread into the oven. All right, now we're gonna get started on the mac and cheese. First, we gotta add water. Then we gotta let the water boil or something. Now we just gotta put the macaroni noodles into the water. Oh. All right, and we gotta let them boil. All right, now it's time to drain the mac. Big Mac.
Oh, that's a strainer. Oh my god.
I'm goated, man.
I thought he was pouring it into the sink. Malik, you know people gotta put this in their mouth, right?
What about it? It's a gutter slap. Okay, that's good enough right there.
Is it on?
No.
Turn it on because it has to drain your milk out. How you gonna drain your milk out?
Thank you, assistant. I thought I had it on. See, that's why I hired you. See, I put some of the milk. Put some milk. Sprinkle it. There we go. Ow. Ow. Bruh. Oh, my mama kid. Yeah, this looks bad, the mac. Oh my god. Mac and cheese, done.
Please don't put that back in there.
Let's go. Oh snap, hold on.
You better not drop it.
Look at that, y'all. It's busted wide open.
Why it look like that?
That's how it's supposed to look. That's how you know we got it good. All right, you guys, we just finished the meal. Look at the chicken right here. Look at that. That ain't burnt, girl. All right, zoom in on this, bro. It's the thumbnail right here.
I made that.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Chicken is A1. It's hot. Let's go for the mac. Y'all gotta try this, man. Not for the cornbread, bruh. Look at that. Golden. The best part of the meal.
You lying?
That thing is slap. Y'all mentioned in my video.
Those two slap. That's like not even.
Hey, yeah. Hey.
Is it good?
Who cooked the mac and cheese?
Is it good?
Not the mac and cheese.
Alright, you guys, that'll be it for the video, man. If you guys like these cooking videos, make sure you guys drop a like and drop a sub. We're on the road to 2,000 subscribers. And this is pretty fun. You know, I'm a master chef, so if you guys put down in the comments below what you guys want me to make. And like I said, if you guys want more videos like this, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Alright, you guys, I'm out. Peace.